Hello, this is Manish Tanna from KTI Automation Private Limited, Vadodara, Gujarat. We are dealing into all kind of latest safety, security and automation solutions. I'm going to show you one product which is called Digital Key Management System, which is RFID-based. Now, wherever the keys are very important or misuse of keys can take place, there this digital key management system is necessity. I'll show you how does it operate like. The access feature here is card, pin, finger and optional is face. The person whosoever is can take the only authorized key and he can take during the authorized days, authorized time also. I'll show you how does it operate like. I'm using finger to log in to the system. I'm pressing one button and then I'm putting my finger. The box automatically opens. Now I'm admin 1 here. I'm selecting one. Now these are the key I'm allowed. So I'm pressing 7 number key. I want 7 number key. It is showing me where the 7 number key is there. I'm taking out the key. This is the RFID key. Once the key is put inside, you cannot take out the key unless and until you change the RFID fob. Now I'll put the key using face. I'm using face now to put back the key.
Thank you.
The box has opened automatically. I'm just putting the key. Here the advantage is that you can put key wherever the blank spot is available. You can put anywhere your key. I put the key, I close that. The various kind of reports can be generated. Date-wise report, key-wise report, time-wise report, all these options available. Anything special customized is required, we can work out on extra basis. Thank you.